20 amazing facts about cats. Here are 20 facts about cats that you might not have known. As kittens, they have 26 deciduous, or baby, teeth. House cats share 95.6% of their genetic makeup with tigers. Cats can jump 5 times their own height. A house cat can run to the speed of about 30 miles per hour over short distances. This means that a cat can outrun superstar runner Usain Bolt in a 200-meter dash. Cats can have a dominant front paw. Most cats have 18 toes, 5 on their front paws and 4 on their back paws. The oldest cat to ever live was Creme Puff, who lived to be 38 years and 3 days old. Creme Puff lived from August 3, 1967 to August 2005 with her owner in Austin, Texas. Cats have a whopping 32 muscles in each of their ears, allowing them to swivel their ears to hone in on the exact source of a noise. Cats are nearsighted, but their peripheral vision and night vision are far superior compared to humans. The wealthiest cat in the world, Blackie, had a fortune of $7 million or $12.5 million in US dollars. The oldest known pet cat existed around 9,500 years ago. In 2004, a French archaeologist found a grave of a cat in Cyprus dating back to 9,500 years ago, meaning that humans have owned cats as pets since then. Cats usually sleep around an average of 15 hours per day. This means that a cat spends roughly 70% of their lives sleeping.